Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. How are you? Hey, you sure you take good care of our friends. Everybody, I must have hit that track switch.
Now, let's conga!
Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew something. That was why we made it. We had one crazy night. By my side. Let's start to be alright. Nothing can stop us now.
arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Parents, please supervise your children, keeping them away from all train openings. Our next stop will be New Orleans Square, gateway to the Bayou.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station, New Orleans Square.
As we approach the station, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Visitors now for the ride shops and restaurants of Adventureland, Frontierland, New Orleans Square, Bayou Country, and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Once again, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Thank you, and welcome to the Bayou.
Hello everyone! Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astro blasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
Please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. This is your stop for Space Mountain Star Tours, Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters, the Autopia, Finding a Swimming Voyage, the Astro Orbiter, and the Disneyland Monorail. Once again, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Thank you. We're going to pass through the Grand Canyon. Be advised there is a dark tunnel ahead, so if you have any light devices, including Mickey ears, ball wands, lightsabers, make sure they are turned off at this time, as well as the flash on the cell phone, as a courtesy to those around you, and also we want to scare the animals. Thank you.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. However, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle tour of Disneyland.
As we approach the station, please remain seated till the train comes to a full and complete stop. This is your stop for Disneyland's main entrance, the shops and restaurants of Main Street, and more. Be advised, Main Street Station is a stairs-only station. Being that there are no ramps or elevators, it's the stairs and stairs only. Once again, please remain seated till the train comes to a full and complete stop. Thank you.
Blustery day in the holiday home. A little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday! Ooh!
We'll save you, Piglet! First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Right this way. Beware, beware. Have followed the noodles. Steal honey. Beware, beware. They come in ones and twos, but if they don't, so choose your eyes, you see. If honey's what you covet, you'll find that they love it because they guzzle up the hungry prize. What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray!
Happy birthday.
Hooray! Happy birthday! Hip, hip, hooray!
I'm sure you'll find my present to be quite delicious.
Goodness gracious!
You'll never guess what it is. The wonderful thing about you is you take the best of presents.
Looks for